Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today our topic is about the next major organ of your body, that is heart. Page number 6. What the heart does? Heart is a muscle. It's a muscular organ. Its job is to pump blood around your body so that oxygen reaches each and every part of your body. Oxygen is a gas which is very important for the humans to live and grow. Beside this, through the heart, oxygen is transported to each and every part of the body, and carbon dioxide is collected through this blood and it is transported to the lungs from where it is expelled out. Your heart is about the size of your fist. This is your fist. It is about the size of your fist, and it weighs about 225 grams in women's and 285 grams in man. This is the size is about the size of this is the same size as the weight of an orange. Your heart has 4 main parts. The upper portion are called auricles. These are the 2 chambers or 2 portions called auricles or atriums, and the lower part is called ventricle. These auricles are separated by a wall, and the ventricles are also separated by a wall. These walls are partitions between them. Beside this, the atriums and ventricle are also separated by thin wall. Now, the blood from different parts of your body, that is blood low in oxygen or impure blood from the lower portion and from the upper portion, both these veins join together and open into the right atrium. The right atrium, what it does, it receives the impure blood. Now what the right atrium will do is it will contract, it will squeeze in size, and the blood will move into the right ventricle. When the blood enters the right ventricle, this impure blood rushes towards another vessel, and this vessel is the only artery. It is pulmonary artery. It carries impure blood towards the lungs. In the lungs, the blood gets in touch with the oxygen which we have breathed in. The carbon dioxide is released and oxygen is taken in. That oxygen-rich blood from the lungs enters into the left atrium through a vessel which is called pulmonary vein. It is the only vein in your human body which is bringing pure blood from the lungs. From the left atrium, this left atrium then squeezes and the blood rushes towards the left ventricle. Left ventricle then contracts, and the blood from the left ventricle enters into another main vessel called aorta, from which it is distributed to each and every part of your body. The heart is continuously working all the time. Even you are at rest, or you are asleep, or you are running, it is continuously working. It is the organ in your body or a machine which is working all the time you are alive.